suit system's pretty hard. It came from the substation ahead. There's... Fear around Talos 1 that keeps the sun from cooking your insides. Hopefully the generator isn't dying. For your sake. I'll be fine. spread outside the containment zone here. Until now. This? I got a security request saying to... It's not funny, asshole.
You know what's not funny? Taking credit for my
That's what this is about? I'm senior on the Black Box project, Josh. That... If you weren't such a piss-poor team player, you'd understand that. Oh, and by the way, I had to fix a bunch of your calculations, so it's not you... Seriously? You're recording this? What, is this a big sting operation, Josh? You gonna hand me over to the DA? You're so pathetic. I'm done here. Josh, what are you doing?
Let's just see how good my calculations are.
I swear to God, if you don't put that down, I will rip it out of your sweaty hands and... Josh!
I repeat, the power plant has been... It's about time, Sam.
I'm doing the best I can.
Micah, this is Security Chief Elazar. Can you hear me? Sarah? Yes, I can hear you. Been trying to catch you today. My team's in the cargo bay, and those things underneath you. They're crawling all over the station. Check everything around you. Give me the rest. Sam? He's right. These things... Smash every freestanding thing and see if it comes back at you. Get to a secure area, and when you're safe, call me via transcribe. I'm sending you a secure contact. Alright? Understood. Let me transcribe in the coolant monitoring station. Heading there now. I can lock myself in. I'm okay. I'm just catching my breath. Sarah, can you tell me what happened? Micah, get safe, then call.
Nice work. The entrance to deep storage is off the Arboretum. Your brother's office is up here as well.
Jupiter and his palace at the top of the heavens. Used to say that behind his back. But that would make you... what? Neptune? Pluto? Research. Stay away from it. The lift is stuck. It'd be a lot faster and safer than having to fly through the guts again.
Sure about this? Not too late to flush it all out in airlock, you know.
I'm sure. Are you having second thoughts?
No way. I'm in. It's just... I'm not the one incriminating myself.
There's no happy ending for me either. What? I'm trying not to think about it.
Sorry.
Did you make arrangements?
Mitchell's on board. He's gonna bring me food.
I don't need to know the details. Better that way. It has to happen on your next rotation. I put everything in a package labeled Mementos. The package is in my cabin. It's got to go to every media outlet imaginable.
Got it.
And Quentin, be careful. Security is already scrutinizing me more than usual.
I hear the Weaver through the walls. Son of a bitch is gloating, I know it. How are you holding up?
I dropped a couple of 98s to lure the Phantoms away. Sticky notes on every goddamn thing I'm sure isn't a mimic. You?
Good. Safe inside the armory. Squashed a mimic that slipped in. That's it. I got everything sealed tight.
What's our plan?
Wait for rescue.
You know, if we make it, Alex is just pulling bots.
What?
I think we could get out through the guts. Work our way up to the Arboretum.
Okay. Say the word.
Medical bus operator ready to deploy. Please stand clear of altitude.
My mistake.
New operator.
Hello, are you ready for an appointment?
490 medical class operator ready to deploy. Please stand clear of altitude.
Maybe I can help you. Diagnosing emergency burn. Performing irrigation. Mr. Madison, this won't take long. All done.
That Typhon is an unknown type. From what I can tell, it's the source of the problem with the lift. The Phantom you unleashed in Psychotronics has similar disruptive abilities, but the S1 seems more powerful. Scanning it would tell you more.
I'm happy to assist the concern, but
Typhon hijacked the hardware, even the software running the system all the way down to the machine code. Reprogramming it to fine. Fascinating. And alarming. I can patch up the code. You should be fine. Take the lift if you need to move quickly between the 3 main decks on Talos 1. It has a stopping lock and down in life support.
Ja, this is Chief Elazar.
Ja here, Chief. How can I help you?
I need you to report to Deep Storage and get Chief Shaw to reactivate the tracker on Grant Lockwood. HR deactivated it as part of the termination, but we don't have a record of him on the departing shuttle. I want to know where he is and escort him where he needs to go.
On it, Chief.
Alex! Damn it. Hold on. I'm encrypting the rest of this.
Every neuromod takes a snapshot of your brain and models what it would look like if you learned something new. Then it makes those changes. Billions of connections remapped in a matter of minutes. All made possible by our friends from outer space.
Alex! Damn it. Hold on. I'm encrypting the rest of this. Okay. Dr. Cole already wiped the recording of Morgan's breakdown off his computer. The last copy is hidden in his office. I'm not going back.
System
You'll
alert.
have to get it
Repairs
yourself.
needed. Please contact a qualified engineer.
A-C. Good luck.
Frustrated. I have
months that are just gone. I've been listening to the logs, reading the research, playing catch-up.
Do you know how many times we've had this conversation? This is the 5th time.
Does it always go the same way?
Not always.
What does that mean?
What do you think it means?
Well, I think it means you should be concerned as my counselor.
You left yourself a message. Would you like to listen to it?
No.
I think it would help.
I said no, that's not me.
Why do you say that?
I don't know, I just know.
You agreed to this. This was all your idea. Yours and Alex's.
I didn't agree to any of this, all right? That Morgan is not me. I would never... Do you know what's going on in psychotronics? Do you?
If I did, I couldn't say. You know that.
What do you know about the Typhon?
We shouldn't talk about them. Not without your brother present.
Them. You do know, you snake. How can you sit there?
Morgan, take a deep breath. Here.
I don't want a pill. I want this station shut down. I want Earth.
Morgan.
I said no!
Okay. I'm going to call Alex.
Hello, are you here for an appointment? Hello, good to see you again, Dr. Hughes. Diagnosing superficial injury. Nothing affordable. Please, hold still. This will hold you a moment. There. All better. Fill out a patient experience questionnaire so I can serve you better next time. Hello. Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Doctor, what happened? Where? Oh God, please tell me you killed that thing. I came up here to deploy the EATs, the Eradicator turrets. And it was like all the color bled from the world. Everything had an edge to it. I couldn't control myself. But the EATs are still in the small arms closet nearby. We could still use them. Here's the code. I'm going to make my way to the cargo bay. Security was supposed to fall back there. Sarah will have my ass if I don't. I'm going to head down to cargo bay. Don't want to make Sarah mad. Even if she didn't make it, she'll still find a way to take it out on me. Did you find the EATs? I hope they shred those things.
Hello, are you here for an appointment? Hello, are you here for an appointment?
Miserable failure. Piss poor route initiation. However, Dr. Lin from Psychotronics was kind enough to provide me with a sample of material that should multiply the effectiveness of the phytohormones when applied to already mature plants. I expect reduced time to maturity, increased yield, and an above normal salutary effect. Hopefully, it doesn't taste like shit. I just need permission to run the plant through the fabricator.
I thought your shift isn't for another 2 hours, but I need you to come in now. Is everything okay? No, it's not. Stop by my cabin first. Bring the gun from my safe. Transmitting the key code. Right away, Captain.
Save files. I broke your arm when I found out. I regret that now. But I'm still not fond of you messing with my stuff.
Alex has a private escape pod. It's locked up. I made a copy of the key and hid it on top of the data tower, near the chair. You know the one I'm talking about. Listen, there's more at stake this time than just us, or this station. If just one of those creatures made it back home, then we're lost. I keep having this dream. I'm just staring into the black between the stars. There's something there. I know there is. I just can't see it. But it sees me. I can feel it. Hate us. I know you know what I'm talking about. Or you will. Soon.
Personnel must complete monthly physicals during duty. Stay aboard Talos 1. Dr. DeVries promises to make this
What is it?
How's it going?
I can't get this damn thing open. Where's Danielle?
Still not answering. What's wrong?
Danielle tied the lock to her voice. We need her to speak the key phrase or we're not getting in here.
Would voice samples work? Transcribe recordings?
Yes, if they have the right words. Or if we gathered enough to map her voice to a consonant and vowel list and started running patterns.
I'll see if I can find her. Or her transcribe. I'll check her room first.
All right, Ivy, but look, don't do anything stupid. Ivy? Ivy? Shit. Damn it, Danielle, where are you?
It's unlikely I was still alive. I advise you follow Zachary West's strategy. Pack together voice samples. Your transcribe is equipped with the necessary software. It's how you made my voice. Danielle's cabin might be a good place to get started.